Hello guys. Today we are going to see one interesting topic. In the market, we got it in like past 2 years back. It's a robot framework, Sikuli library. So Sikuli library, right? So where we are going to automate the application based on the images. We are not capturing the CSS selectors or exports and all based on the image selection. So identifying the elements based on the image. So how we are going to automate application by using robot framework Seguli library, we will see today. For that, we require some setup. Okay, what is the setup we will see? Okay, see robot framework Seguli library automation setup. So this supports the robot framework scripting. Okay, so robot framework Seguli library. So automation setup, the steps. It required PyCharm IDE. We are going to write our code in the PyCharm IDE. Scripting we will do in the PyCharm IDE. So Python installation is required. So we are going to write robot framework, right? Python installation is required. So IntelliJ bot plugin is required. So for us to set up IntelliJ bot plugin, and we need to configure pip package installer for Python. So this is necessary. See, whenever you are going to work with Python, right? Some packages you need to install, right? Pip is mandatory. So on robot framework library, we need to add robot framework library as well as robot framework Civil library. So this is the setup which we require for the robot framework Civil library automation. So we will do this setup and we will go ahead creating the test cases. Thank you guys.